Today's top news, 22nd February. Center asks states with spike in new COVID-19 cases to increase proportion of RT-PCR tests, focus on surveillance. Over 1 crore people administered COVID-19 vaccine. Recovery rate improves to 97.25%. BJP passes resolution thanking Prime Minister Narendra Modi for effective handling of pandemic. The sixth meeting of the Governing Council of Niti Aayog was held on February 28th under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Addressing the event, the Prime Minister said that cooperative federalism is the foundation of India's progress. Polling for regular election of 6 municipal corporations of Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Surat, Vadodara, Rajkot, Jamnagar, Bhavnagar and 2 seat by polls in Junagadh Municipal Corporation took place yesterday. The Uttarakhand government has bought an ordinance giving co-ownership rights to women in their husband's ancestral property. The ordinance has been bought keeping in view large-scale migration of men from hill areas of the states in search of livelihood. The ordinance aims to provide economic independence to women who are left behind and have to depend on agriculture to sustain themselves. Flagging historic and unsustainable fuel price levels, Congress President Sonia Gandhi on Sunday wrote to Prime Minister Modi urging him to follow Raj Dharma by partially rolling back to excise duty on petrol and diesel. She said that centre has chosen to profiteer of people's misery and suffering. Why are prices of petrol and diesel increasing? Petroleum Minister explains in April last year, India had supported the decision of the major oil-producing countries to cut production as there was a sharp fall in demand aimed COVID pandemic. International market had reduced fuel production and manufacturing countries are producing less fuel to gain more profit. This is making the consumer countries suffer. The minister also said that blaming the centre for the price rise is wrong as states too have increased VAT on fuel. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has announced that Hoshangabad city in the state would be renamed as Narmadapuram and a proposal to that effect would be sent to the centre. Aam Aadmi Party government in Delhi invited several farmer leaders to the Delhi Assembly on Sunday for a meeting where Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal termed 3 contentious farm laws death warrants to the farmers. Maharashtra CM bans large gatherings, wants citizens to wear mask or face lockdown soon. New curbs in Pune, 7-day lockdown in Amravati, a week-long lockdown from 8 p.m. on February 22nd till 8 a.m. on March 1st. The big daddy of all reality shows, Bigg Boss 14 finally got its season's winner. TV actor Rubina Dilek on Sunday beat Nemesis and singer Rahul Vaidya to emerge as the winner of the reality show Bigg Boss Season 14. Superstar Salman Khan, who is the host of the reality show, announced the winner from the show's set put up in suburban Mumbai's Film City. Late actor Sushant Singh Rajput was posthumously bestowed with the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Award in the Critics' Choice category recently. The Dil Bichara actor passed away in June 2020. Thank you, and that's all for today.